Want to set a timer using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. Make sure Utilities is available in Gemini. If you don't see it, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then go to Connected Apps. Find Utilities and tap it. There is no switch here, so you can use it directly. Now, go back to the main screen. Tap the message box. Type a simple command like, set a 30-minute timer. Then tap Send. Gemini will process your request and start the timer automatically. You can also set multiple timers. For example, set a 30-minute timer for the bread and a 1-hour timer for the roast. Gemini will handle both timers for you. This makes it easy to manage cooking, studying, or daily tasks. And that's how to set a timer using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.